Former NCB manager pleads guilty to stealing $111 million.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Viewers, a former senior manager at the National Commercial Bank, 52-year-old Andrea Gordon, pleaded guilty to multiple criminal charges in the Home Circuit Court in downtown Kingston on Thursday the 29th of April. Following her guilty plea, Gordon was remanded in custody by Justice Lorna Shelley Williams, who requested a social inquiry report before sentencing slated for the 31st of May this year. Gordon was employed to the National Commercial Bank for approximately 30 years. She began her service at the financial institution as a specialist cashier in 1989. At the time she was arrested, she was the manager at NCB's Operations Center, more commonly called the Atrium, at 29 Trafalgar Road in Kingston 10. The court heard details of how investigations revealed Gordon unilaterally accessed NCB's system and fleeced up to $111 million. However, she was indicted for stealing $34 million over the period 2017 to 2020. The indictment outlines how Ms. Gordon accessed the bank's system via her username and password. She then proceeded to transfer large sums of money to herself as her activities went undetected for several years. Gordon pleaded guilty to 13 counts of larceny as a servant. She also pleaded guilty to breaches of the Proceeds of Crimes Act and to money laundering. Prosecutors outlined to the court how when she was eventually confronted by the bank's internal fraud team, Gordon wept and said her back was against the wall and she had taken the money to assist a sick relative. However, prosecutor Andrea Swaby noted that investigations revealed Gordon used the money to shop for her handbags and clothes. She also used the monies she fleeced to buy materials to upgrade her house. It was also stated that she stole money to buy Penn Relay tickets. It is understood that Gordon also used the money to install a movie theater at a premises she owns. Gordon also transferred money to the bank accounts of family members and associates, including her son. Several of her family members are also before the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court facing criminal charges. Gordon's guilty plea came after Director of Public Prosecutions Paula Llewellyn entered a nolle prosequi in the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court. This resulted in the case being sent directly to the Home Circuit Court, where Gordon pleaded guilty to the criminal charges.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!